Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Microsoft Store or Windows Update error 0x80d03805. So if you're trying to do a Windows update or something along those lines and it says that there was a problem installing some updates but we'll try again later, if you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And then it provides this error code, the same one that you were on this tutorial for. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Underneath get up and running, scroll down and select Windows Update, resolve problems that are preventing you from updating Windows, and then select run the troubleshooter. Okay, so hopefully it'll be able to resolve and fix issues here. So you can see the service registration was missing and that has been repaired, but you will have to go ahead and check for updates. So select close. Next thing I would suggest doing would be go underneath find and fix other problems and scroll down underneath to locate the Windows Store apps, troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly. So go ahead and left click on that and then select run the troubleshooter. Okay, so if it suggests you sign up with a Microsoft account or something like that, I would suggest following along with the prompts, and you can go ahead and just keep selecting next here. So again, if you sign into a Microsoft account, this should resolve this first issue. Just in my case, that's what was detected was incorrect, and then it says you can also reset the apps is what I recommended for the second option here. So I'm going to actually close out of here and I'm going to open up the start menu. I'm going to type in WS reset. Best match should go back with a WS reset. Go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. Give it a moment here and then once this is done running it will relaunch the Windows Store, so just be patient, give it a moment. And there you go, the Microsoft Store has relaunched, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.